Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with Tableau, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your data science journey with Tableau, begin by downloading and installing Tableau Desktop from the official website. Once installed, open Tableau and select Connect to access your data source. You can connect to various data sources, such as Excel files, SQL databases, or even cloud services like Google Sheets. For this tutorial, let's use an Excel file. Click on Excel and locate the file you want to analyze. After selecting the file, Tableau will show you the available sheets within it. Choose the relevant sheet and click Connect. Now that your data is loaded, navigate to the Data Source tab. Take a moment to review the data types and ensure that everything is recognized correctly. If needed, you can change data types by clicking on the column header. Next, switch to the Sheet tab to start building visualizations. On the left side, you will see your data fields categorized into dimensions and measures. Drag a dimension, such as category, to the rows shelf. Then, drag a measure, like sales, to the columns shelf. Tableau will automatically generate a basic bar chart for you. To enhance your visualization, explore the Show Me panel on the right. You can select different chart types, like pie charts or scatter plots, based on your data. Feel free to experiment with different visualizations to find what works best. Next, let's add some filters to refine your data. Drag a dimension, such as region, to the filters shelf. In the pop-up window, select the specific values you want to include and click OK. Now, your visualization will update based on the selected region. To further customize your charts, click on the color shelf and add a measure, like profit. This will create a color gradient based on profit levels. You can also add labels by dragging a measure or dimension to the label shelf for better insights. Once you're satisfied with your visualization, consider creating a dashboard. Go to the Dashboard tab and click New Dashboard. Drag your sheet onto the dashboard area to create a visualization panel. You can resize and arrange multiple visualizations as needed. To make your dashboard interactive, add filters and parameters for user engagement. Finally, save your work to Tableau online or export it as an image or PDF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.